Hi, today I'll show you how to do mandala in these painted papers. I was working on these papers for a while. I've shown you all the designs over here. These are some of brown shades. I'll be using one of the papers from this. I'm using this. You'll need a protractor, a scale, a white chalk pencil and a normal pencil. Start marking the center point and start drawing the circles. If you need a circle template, you can use that, or you can use any kind of plastic lids like this. On the black marker pen, start drawing the outline like this. I've started creating designs. You can do this design or you can try any design of your choice. Done the design. Now I'm going to give a color wash. Just mix the color with a little bit of water, like 3:1 ratio, and then start giving like this. This is called color wash. I'm just using gold and giving some dots. Taking black and then giving dots here and there. Here is the painted paper. I've used brown on top as well. You can use it over here in gaps also. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.